Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids Channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids Channel. Today we are going to drawing and coloring Pocoyo Bink. So cool. Let's start drawing. First I draw his blink eyes. Then I draw his little nose and his mouth. Next, I draw his hand like this. On his head, I draw a hat and sunglasses. I draw a necklace on his neck like this. Then I draw Pocoyo's body. Now let's coloring together. First, I use red to paint his sunglasses. Then I color his mouth and his necklace like this. I use this sky blue marker to paint his hat. And color his suit sky blue too. Then I use cream to paint his skin. Okay, our drawing is almost finished. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.